Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I hope you're healthy, happy, and are staying safe out there. In this video, I want to talk to you about calcium deficiency. Calcium deficiency is such a common problem and it is an increasing problem. Calcium deficiency makes bones, joints, and teeth weaker to the point a small fall can cause bones to break. Likewise, biting on any hard food can cause teeth to chip or break. I myself suffered from it during my early teen years, and it really has lifelong effects. That's why prevention is always better than cure. You should consciously try adding calcium-rich foods in your diet, especially if you are a woman or you have young women at home who can possibly develop this problem. Now, it is by no means a woman-only problem, but women tend to be more susceptible to developing this deficiency. There are a few things that can cause calcium deficiency. Topping the list is alcohol and smoking. Diet and lifestyle choices also contribute. And postmenopausal women also tend to struggle with calcium deficiency. There are simple signs and symptoms which can indicate whether you have calcium deficiency. Pain in knees and joints, sometimes heels, is the most common sign. People often feel numbness in their legs or hips after sitting for some time. Backache for no particular reason, meaning there is no injury and no apparent cause of that backache. Your nails break easily. You feel down, have symptoms of depression, you forget a lot. These are all common symptoms that you might have calcium deficiency. In this video, I will share with you a very simple, natural, and effective way of increasing calcium levels in your body. It is very important to consume the right kind and quantity of calcium, but it is just as important to make sure that your body is actually absorbing these nutrients. Otherwise, your efforts will not be very fruitful. So what I'm going to share with you today will help with absorption as well. Let's start with the first ingredient in this recipe, and that is finger millet. Finger millet is rich in niacin, which plays an important role in more than 400 enzyme reactions in the body. Niacin is important to maintaining the health of your skin, blood, and organs. It is very rich in calcium and iron, along with vitamins A and B, phosphorus, potassium, and antioxidants. A cup of this grain provides 3 times more calcium than a cup of milk. It is often consumed in flour form, but you can use the millet in a variety of forms. You can cook it like couscous, make millet flour pasta, pancakes, add it to your snack bars or energy balls, or even millet flour sweet or savory breads. Just unleash your creativity. The next food is sesame seeds. Go for brown or golden sesame seeds since they contain a higher calcium content than the white variety. Just 1 tablespoon of brown sesame seeds is going to give you about 10% of your daily calcium needs. Now let's move on to nuts. Of all the nuts, almonds are among the highest in calcium content. Just 1 ounce of nuts, which is roughly 20 to 22 whole almonds, give you 8% of your recommended daily intake. I love dried fruits. They are packed with nutrients, are great energy boosters, and a wonderful replacement for sugar. I often use dried fruits in place of sugar. Figs has the highest content of calcium among all dried fruits. I will share with you a very simple smoothie recipe now using all of these ingredients. It is a great energy drink with all the buzz and none of the harm. Here's what you will need for the smoothie. You can have it for breakfast, as midday snack, or even your lunch. It is filling and loaded with benefits. You need 2 tablespoons of roasted finger millet grain, 1 tablespoon of roasted brown sesame seeds. You want to roast sesame seeds until they begin to pop. That's when you know that they're ready. About 10 to 15 almonds, 2 to 3 dried figs. If they are really small, you can use 4 to 5. If you don't have figs, you can replace them with dates. Half a cup of yogurt, preferably Greek yogurt, and some water to help with the consistency and smoothness. You can add a banana for additional flavor and creaminess to this drink. It might be easier for you to mix the millet grain flour with a little bit of warm water first until it is in paste form. This will prevent any lumps. And that's it. You can start your morning with it and have sustained energy all day long, and over time it will help replenish your body. All you need to do is throw these things in your NutriBullet or your blender and you're good to go. You can use these same ingredients to make cereal bars, energy balls, and even pancakes. Like I said, be creative with their use. The important thing is to use these as often as possible. I will show you how I make it on my Instagram page in the next couple of days, so keep an eye out for that. Try it and let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. Please don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Take good care of yourself, and I will see you shortly with another video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.